Stephanie, and today I'm going to share Quizizz with you. Quizizz is very similar to Kahoot. It's a free game-like formative assessment tool that you can use with your students. It's really fun and engaging because it uses images and memes throughout to interact with the kids, and it's really easy to use, so it's good for all age groups. I like it a little bit better than Kahoot because the questions appear in random order and they're student-paced. So it works on the student devices rather than you displaying the whole screen in front of your class like with Kahoot. Just like Kahoot, student scores are dependent upon their accuracy and the speed that they answer. There's no limit to the number of people that can play a Quizizz at a time, and the quizzes can be assigned live, like the whole class can do it together at the same time, or they can be assigned for homework. It integrates with Google Classroom, so you can send out a Quizizz through Google Classroom, and then teachers can also get student data, both individual and class data from the quiz, and you can share quizzes with other teachers that are teaching the same subject. So to get started, you just go to quizizz.com and then you click Get Started right here. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in so you can see what it looks like. And then this is what the screen looks like. Featured quizzes will show up here, and you can search for quizzes that other teachers have created. So if I search for biology, all of these will come up, and then I can choose to just play this quiz if I want to, or I can create my own by clicking Create right here. When you click Create, this is the screen that pops up. You just name your quiz, and then you choose whether you want it to be public or private. Public means it's going to show up like all those did on the front screen, or when I search for biology, all of the ones popped up for biology. Private means that only you'll be able to see it. And then you just start adding your questions. This is the toolbar for you to use while you're adding your questions. You just type your questions in. Sorry, I can't type today. And then you type your answer choices in. And then you choose which one is correct. You can also have multiple answers be correct if you need to. And you can change the time requirement for students to be able to answer that question. It shows up over here like what it's going to look like on the student screens. To add another question, you just click New Question right here, and then you can type it in. You can also search for questions on a topic. So if I search for presidents, here's some that I can add. So if I wanted to add some of these, I could. And I can go down to another one and add some more. They'll show up over here on this side, and you can go in each individual one and edit it if you want to. So let me close out this pane, and then if I wanted to edit this question, I could go in and type in whatever I wanted to type. The blue button right here that has the 2 sheets of paper, that'll duplicate a question, and then the trash can will delete a question. So once you have your quiz created and you're ready to share it with your students, you can click Finish. It's going to prompt you to set up a grade level for it and assign a subject and a topic for it. And you can also tag it. And then you just click Finish and Create Quiz, and then it'll give you the quiz. You can share it by link or through social media, or you can play live, or you can assign it for homework. So to play live, you just click Play Live and then click Proceed, and it'll give a screen for your students to go to a web address and type in a code. And so when you do that, this is what their screen will look like. And so they just go there and type in the code and then click Proceed. They have to enter their name, and then once kids start entering their names, an avatar is assigned automatically, and they'll start to appear here. When all of your students have joined, you'll see this number add up as people join. Then you can just do Start the Game, and then on their screen it'll count down with your screen, and then the questions will appear. There's some options that you can do so that it appears in random order if you want to, or you can change it up before you start the test. So basically the kids just click on the answer, and then it'll assign points, and it'll give them a cute little meme while they're doing it. And then you just keep going. It'll just keep going. So they can, if I answer incorrectly, this is what'll happen, and it'll even give a meme for that too. So it's pretty neat and fun and easy to use. I think the kids really like it, and it's easy to create. And like I said, there are a ton of options already created for you that you can use to build your own test with. I'm going to just finish this quiz up so you can see kind of what it looks like when you're finished. So once everybody's done, I can click End Game and force end the game in the middle if I want to, or when it's finished and everybody's finished, it'll pop up all your results here. So it'll show you who got which question correct and their scores, and it'll list them all in order for all of your students. You can export your results for your quiz to a spreadsheet just like that, and then I'll open it up and show you kind of the results of the whole class and show you the results by student. So I hope that this is something that you think you could use in your classroom, and I hope you feel like this video has been a good use of your time. If you need help implementing this in your class, please come see me and we'll do it together. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.